The Baby Brushing Bundle, Spiffies Tooth Brushing by Spiffies is one of the best sellers among baby toothbrushes products. Early Developmental Oral Care Kit. Baby Brushing Bundle includes 1. Spiffies Tooth Brushing Gel and 1. Spiffies Tooth Wipes in grape flavor. Ideal for infants and individuals with special needs. Introduce infants to brushing teeth in a comfortable and flavorful way. Brushing a baby's teeth is on the top of the list of parents' daily struggles. Win the brushing battle with the Baby Brushing Bundle. The Early Oral Care Kit includes 1. Spiffies Tooth Brushing Gel and 1. Spiffies Tooth Wipes, 20 pk, in grape flavor. Spiffies were developed by a pediatrician for the comfort and oral health of infants and toddlers. The Spiffies Tooth Brushing Gel and Tooth Wipes help with the relief of babies' discomfort while teething. The Spiffies brand is, also, an alternative for toothpaste by individuals of any age group, especially helpful for children with special needs, sensory issues or other special abilities. The Baby Bundle Breakdown. Spiffies Tooth Brushing Gel is a xylitol-rich, non-gritty, non-foaming, swallowable tooth gel designed for ages 6 months and up. The yummy flavors and texture of the Spiffies gel allows for a positive experience with oral health for your child. The benefits of the Spiffies Tooth Gel include reducing cavities, fighting bacteria, reducing dry mouth, and positive first-time toothbrushing. The gel is fluoride-free and is 4 ounces. Spiffies Tooth Wipes, 20 pack, are disposable wet wipes designed to clean the mouth and teeth for children over the age of 6 months. The nubby towelette removes plaque while at the same time helping with teething pain relief. Simply stick the Spiffies wipes in the fridge for 30 minutes, wrap around your finger and massage gently sore gums. Details. Early Developmental Oral Care Kit includes 1. Spiffies Tooth Brushing Gel Grape, 4 ounces, and 1. Spiffies Tooth Wipes, contains 20 wipes, helps with removing plaque while introducing a happy experience brushing teeth. Ingredients: purified water, xylitol, glycerin, citric acid, sodium benzoate, sodium citrate, hydroxythiocellulose, and natural grape flavor, fluoride-free, grape-flavored, suitable for ages 6 months and up. Made in USA.